So ma'am, I would like to ask a question that ma'am, if you get a chance to visit whole India, so would you like to visit or not?
Yeah, I will visit.
So firstly, where would you like to go?
You must welcome Global Spoken English.
Spoken English. So guys, today we are going to converse between two persons.
And my name is Ume Biba. I will converse with I.
Hi ma'am,
Hi, hello.
how are you?
I'm fine and tell about you.
We also fine. So could I know your name?
Yeah, of course. My name is Ume Biba. And your ma'am?
My name is Aisha Siddiqui. So ma'am, where are you from?
I'm from Karimuddin. And you?
I am from Majwaramur. So ma'am, can you tell that what are you doing nowadays?
I'm doing studying and
Okay, so
learning English speaking also.
oh wow, you are learning English speaking. So can you tell us that from where are you learning English speaking?
I'm learning speaking from Global Spoken English that is near Titan Hospital.
Okay, so ma'am, can you tell that how is global spoken English? How is your experience about global spoken English?
In my opinion, Global Spoken English is the best place to learn how to speak English and how to talk with others in English.
Okay, ma'am, so can you tell that how many branches are there available in Ghosli?
As I know that there is three branches.
So can you tell the name?
Yeah, one of them is in Karimuddinpur and one in Majwara Mode and last one is in Kopagar.
Okay, ma'am, so I want to ask from you that, ma'am, who is your best actor?
Uh, I'm not interested to watch television, so at this time I don't have any favorite actor answer.
Okay, so ma'am, can you tell that who is your best actress?
No, I don't have best actress.
So, do you watch mobile?
Yeah, I use, but I don't have any favorite actor or actress.
Okay, so ma'am, can you tell that do you like junk food?
Not too much, but I like, and
Okay.
because everyone likes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
So ma'am, I would like to ask a question that ma'am, if you get a chance to visit whole India, so would you like to visit or not?
yeah, I will visit.
So firstly, where would you like to go?
I'm not prefer to say because I don't have idea. That's
So
what where I
even
will
then,
go.
means where would you like to go?
First, I will go to Mumbai. And ma'am, do you do home chores at your home?
Sometimes I do because already there is my sister-in-law. Sometimes she does, and sometimes I do.
And do you study anywhere?
Yeah, I study, but right now you know that schools are closed,
Yeah.
so that's
In
why
which
I'm
class
not.
are you?
I'm in 8th class,
Oh,
so now the
that's
schools
good.
are closed, so I can't go. So
Yeah.
can you tell that how many members are there in your family?
In my family, there are 8 members.
So can you tell the name of them?
No. There are uh, me, and I have 5 siblings, and my mother and father.
So can you say that tell that what does your father do?
My father is a teacher. He teaches in Amjadia Madrasa.
Okay, so ma'am, I want to ask from you that which is your best and favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English because I know more about English. That's
So
why.
what is your strength and weakness? Can you tell?
No, I don't know. My weakness is and that.
Okay, you are very angry. You have a lot of angriness.
Yeah, very easy.
So, ma'am, if you get a chance to abuse anyone, would you like to abuse? No.
No, this is not a good thing. So I will only my brother.
Okay, ma'am. Also, ma'am, I wanna ask from you that what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is I don't know because I like everything. If I
There
get
must be any
anything,
favorite thing which you like the most.
I think I have, but at this time, yeah. Then
Okay, so what is your favorite fruit?
favorite fruit? Oranges. I like too
Orange.
much. Yeah.
And any other?
Any other? And I like all fruits.
And grapes do you like?
Yeah, I like. And you?
I like what sometimes.
Then tell what is your favorite?
I like apple.
Apple.
Yeah. And you like apple?
Yeah, I like. I told you I like all fruits.
Okay, so ma'am, can you tell that which kind of dress do you like?
This.
Yeah.
I like simple dresses.
And do you like to do makeup?
No, I don't like to do makeup. I want to makeup only other on other face, not mine.
So are you able to do makeup?
Yeah, I'm able.
Okay, ma'am. So without wasting your time, now I would like to go from here. So nice to meet you, ma'am.
I also see you later.
Yeah. Okay. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.